So you finally took the plunge and upgraded to Windows 11, and the stupid taskbar is driving you freaking nuts. Well, today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix that on today's Tech Support Tuesday. So you can see here that the taskbar icons are just right in the middle of the screen instead of the bottom left. Now what you can't see is that on my multiple monitors, I only have the taskbar on the center screen, which is my main screen. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and customize this toolbar right after about telling you about today's sponsor, which is you, the viewer. Make sure that you go ahead and slap that like button so that the YouTube algorithm will help spread this video to help others that are struggling with Windows 11 as well. Let's get started. To get into the taskbar settings, you want to right-click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Then scroll on down if needed, and you'll see here taskbar behaviors. So I click on that and expand it and scroll on down. Now here is the taskbar alignment, so I can change it from center over to left. Oh, so much better, don't you think? Oh, it's like back to how it was with Windows 10. I missed that. And it's just as simple as that. Now if you'd like to see a Tech Support Tuesday video made like this one here, be sure to go ahead and drop a comment down below. Now this video was requested by Budget Tech, so as you can see, I went ahead and made it. Now I did check out his channel, and he's got some pretty good videos on there too, so you might want to check out his channel as well.